guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. And today I have a Dollar Tree haul. So yay for Dollar Tree. As you can see, there are some Christmas goodies. So I am keeping with my $10 challenge. So I only spent $10. So I'm going to share with you guys what I picked up for $10. Okay, so I'm just going to hop into everything. So Christmas has sprung at my Dollar Tree. So I went ahead and picked up a few things. So first thing I picked up was this fake carnations in red. So I'm going to be using this for the fall, but it's also going to transition to winter as well. So getting a nice staple floral piece, in my opinion, is a good idea. So this was $1. And then I picked these up as well. So look at how cute these are with the acorns, and there's a little bit of glitter on it, and then it has the little, what are those, like the holly berries. So I picked two of these guys up for floral arrangement. So I picked two of these up and I snagged it now because, like you all know, things at the Dollar Tree, once they're gone, they're gone. So I picked those up, and then I found these as well. I thought they were super cute. They have, it reminds me of baby's breath, but it kind of has that like snow-capped top to it with a little bit of sparkle. So I love a little bit of sparkle with the holiday time. So I picked two of those up. And then we have a birthday party coming up. So I picked this up. It says, "You are so awesome," and it's a hamburger. And then the little gift tag right here is a side of fries. So I thought this was a really cute little birthday bag. And then I picked up two of these candy totes for the kids. So I picked up a pumpkin for Scarlett, and then I picked up a eyeball one for Sawyer so they can use these for trick-or-treating, and my idea is for them to keep on using it for a few years trick-or-treating. So those are their little trick-or-treating sacks, and I'll probably set up like a little Halloween little gift bag for them. And then I picked up two cards. So I picked up a congratulations card, and I picked up an anniversary card. So these were two for $1, so 50 cents each. So I picked these up, and look at how cute this is. This is by A Day Spring company. So inside it says, "Congratulations, the satisfaction and joy that are yours are well deserved. Praying God blesses your future in ways you can't imagine." So I really love the Day Spring cards because they always have Bible verses on it as well. So if you go into Christian bookstores, that's the brand that you will see there. And then I just picked up an anniversary card for my husband. So it says, "On our anniversary or any day, next to you is my favorite place to be. Love you." So it's, you know, simple, sweet, to the point. So two cards. And then I found this wall decor. It's so cute and it screams my name. It says, "Bless this home," and I love this so much. So if you guys haven't seen my Dollar Tree farmhouse home decor tour, then definitely check it out in the description box because this is gonna flow with my house so perfectly. And then I also picked up a coloring book for Miss Scarlett. So this is the strawberry shortcake coloring book, and the girl is all about strawberry shortcake. So I picked that up for her. So yeah, this was my $10 CVS week. So this is everything I picked up at my local Dollar Tree for $10. So every week I'm going into Dollar Tree and I'm only spending $10. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye. So I told you guys that I was going to be doing a huge Dollar Tree giveaway. So it is now here. So now I'm just going to go ahead and share with you guys what you could win. So I'm going to keep this giveaway open for 2 weeks. Okay, so the rules are very simple. Just comment below and make sure you're subscribed. I'm not gonna have any other requirements because I don't want you guys to have to be on Instagram. I don't want you guys to have to be on Facebook. So just be subscribed and comment below, and that's it. So I'm just gonna start pulling things out. So you're gonna get a flamingo tape dispenser. Now, this is something that was not from the Dollar Tree, but I had an extra one of them, so I'm gonna throw it in there. But it is a chalkboard that says months old on it, and my first. So it's, you know, if you have a baby and you wanna start keeping track of that, that's there. And then this second thing I actually got from Hobby Lobby during their clearance, and this one says, "Home is where your mom is." So I got that. And then I also got this sequin pencil pouch which is from the Dollar Tree. So everything else is from the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna give away one of these pouches. I'm also gonna give you guys one of these Dollar Tree bags because so many of you guys comment how amazing they are. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give that away. I'm also gonna give away this notebook. This says love on it with the wreath and the black and white polka dot. And then I'm gonna give away the always be humble and sweet with the pen. And then I'm gonna give away the gather notebook. And then I'm gonna give away these metal words. So it says thankful, harvest, and welcome. So I'm gonna give away these. Another gather notebook. I'm also gonna give away this farm to table decor sign. And this Jot magnetic notebook. It says choose happy and it has the florals on it. The Jot poly sticky notes for your planner. A mermaid sequin bin, because I know these are hot commodities. And then I'm gonna give away the Flock Yeah flamingo sign. A Hello Gorgeous notebook. In America door sign. And this little hanging wall canvas, it says love. Some magnetic birthday magnets. These are really fun. So I'm gonna give these away. I'm giving everything away in this box. I don't know why I keep on saying that. I'm also gonna give away a bunch of planning stuff. So there's a 2019 Jot planner, and inside I have a bunch of planner stickers. So I'm gonna give away the labels. I'm gonna give away these stickers right here. And I'm gonna give away these planner stickers right here as well. So you can get organized. And some notebooks, because you know I love me some good Dollar Tree notebooks. So I'm gonna give away the Espresso Yourself notebook. And I'm going to give away the coffee because anger management is too expensive. I'm also gonna give away some of these wall stickers. So this one says, you will be my forever, always. And then I'm gonna give away this tree one as well. I thought that was really pretty, so I picked that up a while ago. A lot of this stuff I picked up a while ago. I'm gonna give away this unicorn phone stand. One of you guys commented that your kids use this as a Barbie chair, which I thought was really a great idea. And then I'm gonna give away the sparkle notebook, the unicorn notebook. And then I'm gonna give away these magnetic bookmarks. And then I have two other wall decors I'm gonna give away. So this one says, always be grateful. Next one I'm gonna give away is the Let's Stay Home notebook. So this is everything that is inside this box. So if you wanna be entered to win this giveaway, I told you guys I had a box that I was saving for you guys. So I have it all packed and ready to go. So this giveaway is gonna be open for 2 weeks. So I will announce the winners 2 weeks from the post of this video. So 2 Saturdays from now, I will go ahead and post the winner. So again, if you would like to be entered to win this giveaway, it's really simple. All you need to do is be subscribed to my channel and just leave a comment below, and that's all you need to do. So super easy peasy. So good luck, everyone.